Happy Monday. Today we're having a math lesson. It's more of a review. We're going to count. We're going to talk about the clocks, both the analog and the digital clocks, and we're going to talk about addition and subtraction. You don't need any papers for this. It's May 18th, 2020. We're ready to go on to the next slide. Now we have the hundreds chart here. Yes, I know this gets kind of old doing it every time, but I really want you to learn how to count by tens, fives, and ones to 100. Now, let's start by counting by tens. We're going to take it slowly. I'm going to underline it as we count. You point to the top of the screen where it says 10, and that's 10. Ready? And then we go straight down. Ready? Let's begin. 10. Oops. Sorry, apparently I forgot to pick a color. Let's try 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it just one more time for practice. Put your finger in the 10 on the screen and let's count with us. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Good job. I'm going to erase that, and then we're going to count by fives. Okay? Put your finger in the 5, and let's begin. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, and 90, 95, and 100. Very good job. Very good. We're going to try it again one more time. I'm going to pick a different color. Put your finger in the 5, and let's do it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100. Yay! Now I'm going to erase those and we're going to count by ones. You just finish erasing this out. I usually forget something, and I suspect I will this time to erase something. Okay, now when we count to 10, let's see what else we can do. Touch our head. Okay? Now we're going to start with the number 1. So point to the number 1 this slide, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Touch your head. Good job. And take a breath. Then let's go to the next row. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Touch your head and take a breath. Let's begin again. After 20, we have 21. Whoops. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Put your hands on your head and take a breath. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Put your hands on your head and take a breath. Let's do the next one next. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Put your hands on your head and take a breath. Okay, then after that, we're going to go 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. And put your hands on your head and take a breath. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. And put your hands on your head and take a breath. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Put your hands on your head and we're almost done. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Put your hands on your head. Take a breath. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Oops, I switched colors apparently. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Good job. Okay. Now let's go to the next slide. Hello, on this page we're talking about analog and digital clocks. An analog is a round clock. The digital clock is a rectangular clock, although not all digital clocks are rectangular. Let's look on the left-hand side where you see the round clock. The big hand is pointed at the 12, so it's o'clock. The little hand's pointed at the 10. So if you look underneath, it says it is 10 o'clock. Now look at the rectangular clock. That is a digital clock. I've written a 10 at first, and then it has the 2 dots, and 00 means o'clock. So it says it is 10 o'clock. Let's go to the very last page. Now here we have an addition problem and a subtraction problem. We're going to make an addition number sentence and a subtraction number sentence. Let's look first at the cars on the left. We see two different groups of cars. If you look at one group, we have to count how many cars we see there. Let's count. 1, 2. Let's write the number 2 underneath. So my story starts with 2 cars. I have 2 plus. Plus means I'm going to add something to it. We're going to have more of something. And I have more cars. So I'm going to count the cars that I'm adding. I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm adding 6 more cars. So it goes 2 plus 6 equals. Now I need to count all of the cars. I need to count all the cars to see how many I have in all. Let's begin. I'm going to put a dot on each. Actually, I'm going to put an X on each one so I count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 cars, so I'm going to write an 8 at the end. And that number sentence, is an adding number sentence. It tells a story. It says I have 2 cars plus 6 more cars equal 8 cars altogether. Very good job. Now I have a subtraction problem next to it. And I'm making a line on top of that. Because I know it's a subtraction problem because I see a minus or a takeaway symbol in the middle. Now, First, we have to count all the birds that are on the post because we're talking about birds in this picture. I'm going to put one line through them as I count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5, so I'm going to write the number 5. And that's the first number I wrote. 5 minus. Now, did you notice there's one bird that's facing a different direction? I'm going to put a big X on the yellow and black one because he's facing the different direction than the other ones. So our problem is 5 take away 1 equals 5. Take away 1 equals, and my picture is covering that line. So we'll just count to see how many are left over. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write a 4 above my picture. So I have 5 birds. Take away 1 equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good job. That's the end of our lesson. Thank you for listening.